Hello everyone, I'm Saitith and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's I'll try to do the 4G data speed test and download speed test comparison between the Realme X7 Max versus Realme X7 Pro. As you can clearly see friends, I'll try to use a Jio SIM card and I'll try to test the speed test and I'll try to download the game as well in the Play Store at same time. So let's see which phone has got better kind of 4G signals. And this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers. As you can see friends, this is a request which he did ask me to do. As you can see, comparing the Realme X7 Max versus Realme X7 Pro and downloading an application as well which is a 50 MB. So instead of doing this kind of exact requirements as a video as well, so which will be kind of really helpful for a lot of users who are actually thinking of buying X7 Pro and X7 Max, but they're really confused which phone has got better kind of speed test. So that is what this video is about. So right now, as you can see friends, Realme X7 Max and Realme X7 Pro device, both phones are same 8GB RAM variants, and I'm trying to use a Jio SIM card in both the phones. Yes, same Jio SIM card I'm trying to use. Let me try to show you the details as well. So let's go to the SIM card and network mobile data, and it is a SIM 1 and SIM 1. As you can see friends, both phones are using the carrier 4G Jio SIM card which they are trying to use. So first let's see whether they are getting 4G plus aggregation or not and what type of aggregation they are trying to get. That is what I will try to explore in this video. Let's use the RX Monitor application in this video to demonstrate whether the phone is actually supported or not. As you can see friends, right now I'm trying to use the RX Monitor application in both phones, and both phones they are showing the 4G plus. As you can see friends, 2CA 10 plus 5. You can clearly see friends, both phones Jio 4G successfully supported 4G plus as well in my location. So this is an extreme indoor type of condition which I am trying to right now demonstrate you. Then you need to quickly open the speed test application. Is a speed test app which is present right now. Then you need to open the speed test, and let's see which phone will be able to have the better kind of 4G speed test. That is what I'll be seeing. So right now I'm using only the 4G SIM, and both phones you can see the signals as well 4G plus. Let me try to start at same time. So let's see friends which phone will be having the better kind of 4G. So first I'll try to do the 4G speed test, and then I'll try to do the download speed test. So in this way we'll be able to get to know friends easily which phone has got how much kind of potential in it, and let's see how much difference we can expect. You can observe the ping values in case if you want. As you can clearly see friends, so 2.64 in the Realme X7 Pro and 3.62, that's quite better in the Realme X7 Max with the same SIM card with same location. In the indoor condition, these were the results. But both phones are able to get the 4G plus successfully without any kind of problem. As you can clearly see, both are completely capable of getting the 4G plus. Let me try to do the test one by one. So first I'll try to do the test in the Realme X7 Pro, then I'll try to do the test in the Realme X7 Max. So this is another test which I thought of doing one by one, not at same time. So now the phone reached up to 5. Sometimes if you are trying to do at same times, I'm not sure, sometimes I do get this kind of slow speeds. That is the reason I'm trying to do one by one. So once we finish in the X7 Pro, then we'll go to the X7 Max. So right now we are getting about close to 8 Mbps, so 7.78 is the highest. So 4G plus aggregation is currently, you can see in this Realme X7 Pro. So once we are done this kind of testing, definitely I'll try to do the download test friends. I know you are really interested in the download comparison. So first let's test the practical speeds, how much we are getting in the speeds. So let's see in the Realme X7 Max how much I'm getting. In the Realme X7 Max, the speeds are slightly more. That's really good as you can see friends. So if you try to do the test one by one, this is how much improvement is there instead of doing it same time. And the ping values also you can observe. And the net speed is slightly more than the Realme X7 Pro, slightly more, 8 Mbps. As you can clearly see friends, and the upload speeds 2 Mbps in the Realme X7 Pro and 1 Mbps in the X7 Max. So overall the X7 Max has got the slight 4G data speeds when compared with the X7 Pro device. So a little bit, not much. As you can see, these are the quick comparisons. So now it's the time to test the download speed test between both phones. As you can see friends, both phones I did have this kind of game which has got the size of 55 MB only. As you can see friends, 55 MB size. You can clearly see the size of this game. So which is of only 57.53 MB. Just only little bit MB got more in this phone. I'm not sure why, but same game I'm trying to download, Ilkla I'm Blazing, as you can clearly see friends. So let me need to start at same time, and let's see which phone will be able to finish this downloading the game. Let me need to start at same time. I did click at same time in both phones. Let's see which phone will be able to download faster. Still pending. And the Realme X7 Pro also got started. And right now the Realme X7 Max is at 15%, as you can clearly see friends. 15% and 20%. So these are the races going on between both phones, Xon Max and the Xon Pro. 34% and 14%, 16%, as you can clearly see friends, the difference. On the top of the notification panel, even you can see the speeds. So 682, 6500 kbps, and you are getting here 350 kbps. You can see the difference friends clearly with same Jio SIM at same location, 4G place I'm trying to use. Slightly faster I'm trying to get in the Xon Max. So right now I think both are kind of same, 460 and 600 mbps, 600 kbps, sorry. So 65% and 40%, you can see the difference between both phones, how much they are right now. And the time is about 1 minute already, it's passed up, and 75%, 78% in the Realme Xon Max. So the Xon Max is going to finish the download completely. As you can clearly see friends, how much difference it's there. It's exactly around 1 minute and 20 seconds. So 1 minute and 20 seconds, the Xon Max completely finished the download, as you can clearly see friends. So still the Xon Pro is taking time. You can clearly see Xon Pro is taking kind of time, as you can see friends right now. So this is a kind of speed test which a lot of users are really interested. So you will be having really good speeds in the Xon Max when compared with the Xon Pro. So it done about exactly 1 minute and 45 seconds. So 1 minute and 45 seconds took the time in the Realme Xon Pro, and 1 minute 20 seconds in the time in the Realme Xon Max. So overall there is a 20 seconds difference between both phones, but that's not the all. So I did do the test at same time. So now I'll be trying to do the test one by one. That's another thing friends. As I said, one by one if you try to do, the speeds will be kind of slightly different. Let me try to start the test in the Realme Xon Max. Now I'm trying to start the test. So let's see if you try to do the test one by one, how much speeds we can actually get. So you're right now you're getting on the top 1 Mbps. So anyway, if you're having the phone, you'll be having only one of the smartphone. So it's really good to know that which phone will actually able to download and finish faster. Now you're getting 1 Mbps speeds. So that is the reason I did spend this extra time to show you, say, a one by one instead of doing it same time, because the results will be completely different. So let's see in this test what will be the case. 73% and 77, that's good. So it's getting downloaded within 1 minute. That's really great. You can see the top speeds 1.40 Mbps. I'm getting download speeds, that's a download speed, and it's kind of done. 49 seconds. You can see friends, 49 seconds the complete game got successfully completed. This is the time how much the Realme Xon Max. So this is the Realme Xon Max took to download, 49 seconds. So now let's see this Realme Xon Pro, how much time the Realme Xon Pro can actually take the time. Let me try to click install, and when it's started to download, I'll try to click the stopwatch, because in this phone it's taking kind of too much time. It's waiting for download, waiting. Here itself there's a lot of time has been taken. That is the reason I did not start before, so to show you exactly what is happening. And right now the download speeds, you can see it's kind of close to 8 Mbps I'm getting, as you can see friends, 8 Mbps, 500 kbps, sorry 800 kbps, sorry friends, sometimes I'm really confused, and 500 kbps, 800 kbps. So now you'll be able to see friends what's the difference. So in this phone we did get about 1.4 kbps, 1.2 kbps every time, mbps every time it's above 1 mbps and only in this Realme Xon Max. But in this phone you're getting only below 1 mbps. You can see 600 kbps only. So this is the clear difference you can actually observe friends. So connectivity will be really good in the Realme Xon Max when you compare with the Xon Pro. So this is a live proof which we got right now in front of you. So which is a Jio 4G SIM only I'm trying to use, which has 4G plus. So still, as you can see friends, 55 seconds it took the time. This phone is completely stopped. There is no internet connection right now in this phone. You can clearly see here. But right now, as you can see, just now it reached to 999, 888 kbps. That's really good, but not 1 Mbps. So 89%, 91%, 93%, 96, as you can see friends, 96, and install. So 1 minute and 22 seconds. This Realme Xon Max took about 49 seconds. So this is a size only about 50 MB. If you try to increase the size, then definitely the time gap will obviously increase. Thank you for watching this video, friends, and for more videos make sure to hit the subscribe, and don't forget to search in the YouTube in case if you are interested to watch any of the 4G plus download speeds. Try to search in the YouTube 4G plus SciTech Guru. You can find all the videos which are uploaded recently. Try to check this video, friends. Outdoor extreme speed test as well with the Realme X1 Max. That video will be really interesting for you all. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.